Now I am the contractor of this project. We have been little delayed because for installation of stone crusher, we have to make the road, then again call the people to install it. So that was also one delay. Then the phase 1 is 47 crores, phase 2 is 47 crores.
Today I came to visit this project, construction of roads and bridges, along with my Commissioner Secretary, R&B, and my Chief Engineer, SC engineers, and the subordinate officers. Work order was issued in 2017, and for completion of this project was 2020 February. But since the work is a bit delayed, we, as raised by my honorable MLA, we visited today along with my colleague MLA VIKHEHO.
Yeah. So I'm thankful to the Honorable Deputy CM, who is also in charge of the road and bridges, for taking time to visit this project. Initially, we started this project under economic importance road in 2016 for the length of 25 kilometers from Kijumetouma to Ghathashi.
Then suddenly we had this lockdown, and for this year, most part of the year, none of the work could be carried out. The workers went away, and then they could not get back their work.
Gambura khan apni amakhan laga jaga te aise ami khan gambura kiman ase so mana hibo koi jana babna kru thakse hole bi apne short time dise